Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start exercise 10.
Exercise number 10, question number 1, filling the blanks. The first one is 3 points on a line are called. Students, अगर 3 point एक ही line में हो, you have already studied about this concept. These points are called collinear points. The next one is 2 planes intersect at most in one. Students, you have already studied in the topic intersecting plane about this concept. Students, you can see here if 2 planes intersect, they do so in only one line. So the answer is one line. The third one is only one line can be drawn through. Students, you have already studied about the line segment. The line segment drawn from the 2 points, end points A and B. This is the line segment with the both ends are fixed. So the only one line can be drawn through 2 points. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. Students, you have to find here all the statements are true or false. So first one is a line has a definite length. Students, you have already studied about the line. The line has only one dimension, it's a length. The length of the line extends to infinity in both directions. The line has not a definite length. Right here false. Next statement is 2 capital letters are used to name a line. Students, जब भी आप लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करते हैं, कोई भी रे ड्रॉ करते हैं, तो आप इनके एंड्स पॉइंट को 2 कैपिटल लेटर से डिनोट करते हैं. So this statement is true. So write here true. Third statement is only one line can be drawn through one point. Students, you can see here only one line can be drawn through 2 points. Also, you know the statement of one point. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through one point. Statement is false. The next one is a line segment has a definite length. Students, you know the concept about the line segment. A line segment has 2 points fixed and has a definite length, so it's true because its length is not extend to infinity in both directions. Last one is 2 planes intersect in a line. Yes, the 2 planes intersect at most in one line. Right here true. Question number 3, observe the shapes below. Name the planes in each case. Students, you have to observe all these shapes and next name the planes in this figure. Firstly, observe the closed shapes. In shape, the closed shape is F, D and E. This is a closed shape, so this is the one plane in this figure. Also C, A and B, it's also a plane. Now mention all the planes in this figure one by one. So the first plane in this figure is A, B and C. This is one plane. The next plane is D, E and F. This is the second plane. The next plane is A, B, E and D. Students, you can see here this is a closed shape, so this is also considered as a plane. This is the third plane. The next plane is A, C, F and D. This is closed shape, so this one is fourth plane. The next last plane is, you can see here C, B, E and F. So this is the fifth plane. Students, just write here all the names of planes by observing this figure. Are here mentioned A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, E, D, A, C, F, D and C, B, E, F. Part is fourth part. Students, you can see here the figure. You have to find all these planes by observing this figure. So the first plane is start from A, B, C, D, E and end at A. So this is a closed shape, so consider as one plane. The next plane is M, F, G, L, H and end at also M. So in front of this is also the plane because it is a closed shape. The next is A, B, F, M. This is also closed shape, so considered as third plane. The next one is in front of this is also F, G, C, B. This is the fourth plane. Students, you can change the sequence. मैंने यहाँ से G से स्टार्ट किया है, आप यहाँ से F से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, F, G, C, भी कर सकते हैं, B, C, G, F भी कर सकते हैं. आपके प्लेन्स पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. The next plane is D, C, G, L. This is also closed shape, so this is the fifth plane. In front of this is also the plane, so considered as a plane M, H, E, A. The next one is E, D, L, H. So this is the last plane. Here I mention all the planes by observing this figure. That is fifth part, students. Same as it is the first two questions, you have to find all the planes by observing this figure. So the first plane is A, B, C, D, E, F. This is the closed shape, so considered as the plane. This is the first plane. The next plane is A, B, and G. This is the second plane. In front of this is a 3D shape, so this is also the third plane. The next plane is C, D, and G. It's a fourth plane. In front of this is also a plane, closed shape considered, so the fifth plane. The next plane is F, A, and G. It's a sixth plane, same as it is in front of this, B, C, and G. It's a seventh plane. So these are the all planes we mention here by observing this figure. आपने एक प्लेन लिखने के बाद उस प्लेन को दोबारा रिपीट नहीं करना. आपने यूँ नहीं करना B, C, G एक प्लेन कंसीडर किया है तो आप उसे G, B, C से स्टार्ट करके दोबारा उसी प्लेन को कंसीडर कर रहे हैं. ये एक ही प्लेन कंसीडर किया जाए. Question number 4. Name the line segment in question number 3 first part and second part. Question number 3 first part is this and the second part is this. Students, you have to write here all the names of the line segments in this figure. This is a figure of the question number 3 first part. Students, you have to observe all the line segments that makes the figure. So the lines in the figure are AC, BC, BD, AD, AB, DC. These are the lines that makes the figure. Students, you can see here both the ends are fixed, bound, so write here all the segments but denote the representation of the line segment. The line segments in the figure are AB and this sign represents the line segment. AB is the line segment, this is the first. BC is the line segment, this is the second line segment. AC, this is the AC, third. Next one is AD, fourth. BD, fifth. And CD is sixth. These are all the line segments. You have to find all the line segments in the question number 3 second part. So this is the figure of the second part of question number 3. Next, find all the line segments and write here all the line segments. The line segments are AB, this is 1. B to C, this is 2. A to C, 3. AD, 4. BE in front of AD is 5th. Next, the line segment is C to F, 6. DE, 7th. The next is EF, 8, and DF is 9. Just write here all the names of the line segments. Number 5, name the following. Students, ये आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं और उन्होंने कहा है कि आप इन्हें ऑब्जर्व करें और बताएं कि इनमें से इनका नाम क्या है. So just write here the names of these lines. First part, students, you can see here the figure. You can see here also the both ends are not fixed, it's infinite. So this is a representation of the line. Right here it is line, and next right here the name of the line, A and B. Second part is, students, you can see here this end is not fixed, it's infinite, and this end is fixed at point A. So this representation is of the ray, where it starts from a definite source and extend to infinity on the other side. So it is a ray, and next mention here the name of the ray, AB. The figure in the third part, students, you can see here this is the same as this, but the direction is opposite. At point A is the extend to infinity and point B is a fixed point, so it is also called ray because it starts from definite source and extend to infinity in the other side. Mention the definite source and next mention the infinite side. So the fixed point is B and the next point is A. This is the ray BA. In the fourth part, students, you can see here the figure. In this figure, the both ends are bound. So you know the concept about the line segment. In the line segment, the both ends are bound. So this is the line segment A and B. Dear students, do practice of question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4 and 5, and do homework of question number 3 first part and third part. See you soon in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.